Hello, dear children, how are you all? Do you remember how we used to celebrate Children's Day back in our school? We teachers used to perform programs for you, right? So, come, let's take a small stride down the memory lane. Okay, those were good old days when we used to celebrate it together, right? But now we have something more in store for you. Yes, the celebration is yet to begin. This is a surprise for you all from your teachers. Your principal, your vice principal, supervisors, teachers, every one of us, we are coming to you. And then many of your teachers are performing programs for you online. Now we are gonna open the surprise gift box for you. Enjoy.
Happy Children's Day to all my loving students of Arafa English School. I pray to the God Almighty to keep all of you in peace, harmony and joy. As a principal, I extend my heartfelt love for all of you. Along with me, my supervisors and my teachers all miss you very badly. Once again, when we are reunited, when the schools reopen, we will celebrate this great day with great enthusiasm and joy. My dear children, you are our first choice. Once again, I greet all of you a happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Hello children, good morning and greetings to my dear kids on this special day devoted to you. Really missing the trum of the school, the sounds of the school bell, your silly stories, greeting you kids at the very doorsteps of the classroom, the first few minutes in the class, my constant struggle to keep you all focused, and of course, the crowd crazy hallways, your creative, funny, ridiculous excuses, and the little kids interacting outside the classrooms. Well, missing all those things. It's the time that decides everything. Commemorating this occasion, as a word to my dear kids, understand, each one of you is a new thought of God, a miracle, a resource born with infinite potential. Try nourishing and cherishing the human virtues, compassion, confidence, courage, resilience, generosity, and much more. Let the purity of your hearts, unbounded with love, and the innocence of your smile stay forever unfaded, guiding humanity for a better tomorrow and a better future. Thank you, kids. Once again, happy Children's Day.
Children, every little smiles on your face brings boundless joy to our heart. All the charm and the joy on this day is for you. So, I wish you a happy Children's Day. On this special day, I would like to share thoughts of the famous writer Paulo Coelho. A child can always teach an adult three things: to be happy for no reason, to be always busy with something, and know how to demand for all his might what you want. Once again, I wish you a happy Children's Day.
Hi dear ones, happy Children's Day. Love you so much. You are the reason for the smiles on our faces and our happiness. There are something which we cannot buy. One of such thing is our childhood. So enjoy it. We all are facing a challenging situation now. It may bring you down. But remember that this situation will not last forever. It will change. We will meet soon. Miss you a lot. Love you a lot. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day, my dear children. India celebrates Children's Day on 14th November every year as a tribute to our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru loves the children very much. He was very affectionate towards children, so children fondly called him Chachaji. In this occasion, I would like to say a famous quote of our Chachaji. Children are like buds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. It means that you are like buds in a garden. You will grow as beautiful flowers, and you wanted to spread your fragrance with good deeds and become the good citizens of tomorrow. Once again, wishing you all a happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Hello children, I'm wishing you happy Children's Day. Now I'm going to sing a few lines for you. കാറ്റാടി തണലും തണലത്തര മതിലും മതിലില്ല മനസ്സുകളുടെ പ്രണയക്കുളിരും മാറ്റുള്ളൊരു പെണ്ണും മറയത്തൊളി കണ്ണും കളിയൂഞ്ഞാലാടും നീ ഇടനാഴിയിലായി മതിയാവില്ലൊരു നാളിലും നീ നല്ലൊരു നേരം ഇനിയുള്ളതുപോലെ സുഖമറിയുന്നൊരു കാലം കാറ്റാടി തണലും തണലത്തര മതിലും മതിലില്ല മനസ്സുകളുടെ പ്രണയക്കുളിരും മാറ്റുള്ളൊരു പെണ്ണും മറയത്തൊളി കണ്ണും കളിയൂഞ്ഞാലാടും നീ ഇടനാഴിയില. താങ്ക് യു.
ഇന്ന് നവംബർ 14 ശിശുദിനം. നിങ്ങൾ ജീവിതത്തിൽ ഏറെ നുണഞ്ഞ മധുരത്തേക്കാൾ മധുരതരമായ ഒരു ജീവിതം നിങ്ങൾക്കുണ്ടാകട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. അതിനായി നന്നായി പഠിക്കൂ, നന്നായി കളിക്കൂ, നല്ലത് ചിന്തിക്കൂ, നല്ലത് പ്രവർത്തിക്കൂ. സ്നേഹാശംസകളോടെ നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്വന്തം ജയ ടീച്ചർ.
Warm welcome to all. All of us know that in India, Children's Day is celebrated on November 14 because November 14 is the birthday of Sri Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India and the longest serving Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru was well known for his love and affection towards children, and with love and affection, children called Nehru as Chacha Nehru or Chachaji. The Discovery of India is the famous book written by Chachaji. So all of you try to read this book during this time. All of us really missing the Children's Day celebration in our school. By considering this special situation, we can substitute it by online. So all of you stay home, stay safe and study well. Once again, happy Children's Day to all my beloved ones. Thank you.
Dear children, today is the day for you. Happy Children's Day. Hope all are staying safe. We know that you people are having many frustrations being in this pandemic. Missing your friends, corridors, playground, programs of your school and we teachers, right? Have faith that everything will get better. Try to find positive in every bad situation so that you can win. Love yourself, stay happy, live life to the fullest and focus on best things in life. There is a lot to learn in life that goes far beyond the academics. Tie your life with a goal. Like to listen so that you will learn great things. A little progress each day adds up to big result. There is a saying, what makes a great person is a great foundation, which to say is a childhood he has been in. So, carry your childhood till you become older. Once again, wishing you a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
A warm and a heartfelt welcome to my dear beautiful roses. I am very glad to interact with you on this special occasion. Yes, the most beautiful day that my flowers bloom. Children's Day. In India, we celebrate this special day on November 14th as a tribute to our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. So, as a small gift, today I am going to tell you a successful story of a successful man, the Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. Due to this COVID-19, we all are taking classes online method. So keep your ears open to listen the story. Someone asked Bill Gates, is there is any person richer than you? He said, yes, only one. For that, he said one story. When he went to New York airport, he saw a newspaper vendor and he wanted to buy a newspaper. Unfortunately, he don't have change with him. So he left the idea of buying the newspaper. But at the same time, the newspaper vendor gave him a newspaper. But he said, I don't have enough change. The vendor said, no problem. I am giving you this for free. On his insistence, he take that newspaper. After 2-3 months, he landed same airport and saw the newspaper vendor. Unfortunately, again he don't have the change to buy the newspaper. Same day repeated. The vendor gave him one newspaper again. The vendor said, you can take it. I am sharing this from my profit. I won't be at loss. I took the newspaper. After 19 years, I became richer and famous and known by people. Suddenly, I remembered that vendor. I began to searching for him. After 1.5 months, I found him and I asked the vendor, do you know me? The vendor said, yes, you are Bill Gates. I asked him, do you remember once you gave me the newspaper free? He said, no, I gave you twice. I said, I want to repay that help you had offered me that time. Tell me, how can I fulfill it? You are trying to help me when you are become the richest man in the world. How can you help match mine? That day I realized that the newspaper vendor is richer than me, because he did not want to become rich to help someone. People need to understand that truly rich are those who possess rich-hearted rather than lots of money. Yes, it's very important to have a rich heart to help others. I wish all my dear children to have a rich heart to help others. And thank you. I wishing a very good Children's Day.
Dear children, wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Hope you all are safe. I miss you all. Now we are spending more time with your parents. So give great support to your parents by helping them. Engage some words. Okay. Wishing you will be a successful person in life. That will be the great gift for us. So work hard, achieve success. Hope we will meet soon. Once again, happy Children's Day. Okay, bye children. Thank you.
Hello my dear students, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. In this occasion, I would like to speak a few words on secure childhood. Secure kids are confident, they feel safe and are resilient. One of the most important qualities that we need to instill in our children is a deep sense of security in themselves and the world. There are 3 messages we want our children to get to nurture their developing sense of security. 1. You should feel that there are people in my world who will protect me when needed. 2. You should feel that I am master of all that is me, body, mind, spirit, and am capable of taking care of myself. 3. You should feel that the world is a safe place that I can explore with confidence and free from fear. You should build trust. Secure attachment develops in children who learn that they can rely on their parents to meet their physical and emotional needs. The view of relationships that you would subsequently develop would be one of comfort, interest, and opportunity. Be consistent. The experience of consistency make you feel more comfortable and less threatened, resulting in a strong sense of security that will generalize in all aspects of your life. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Be safe and secure. Hope to meet you soon.
Hello my dear children. As you all would know, today is Children's Day, which is celebrated on the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. On this particular day, I want you to realize how important you people are for us. I see the future in you, and I want you to be a valued, respectful human being along with excelling in your talents. Happy Children's Day, and may you have more meaningful days ahead. Thank you.
Students, I am wishing you a very happy Children's Day to all of you. Now I am going to sing a song for you. Let's enjoy it.
കണ്ണാം തുമ്പി പോരാമോ എന്നോടിഷ്ടം കൂടാമോ നിന്നെ കൂടാതില്ലല്ലോ ഇന്നെന്നുള്ളിൽ പൂക്കാലം കളിയാടാമേ കിളിമരത്തണലോരം കളിയാടാമേ കിളിമരത്തണലോരം കണ്ണാം തുമ്പി പോരാമോ എന്നോടിഷ്ടം കൂടാമോ വെള്ളം കല്ലിൻ ചില്ലും കൂടൊന്നുണ്ടാക്കാം ഉള്ളിനുള്ളിൽ താലോലിക്കാമെന്നെന്നും എന്തേ പോരാത്തു വാവേ വാവാച്ചി കുന്നിക്കോര കുത്തി നുള്ളിപ്പറിച്ചിട്ട് പിന്നിക്കോരത്തൊരു മാലതിക്കാം തിങ്കൾ കിടാവിനെ തോളിത്തെടുക്കുന്ന തങ്കക്കലമാനെ കൊണ്ടുതരാം ചെങ്കിരി മുത്തല്ലേ എന്റെ ചിത്തിരക്കുഞ്ഞല്ലേ കണ്ണാം തുമ്പി പോരാമോ എന്നോടിഷ്ടം കൂടാമോ നിന്നെ കൂടാതില്ലല്ലോ ഇന്നെന്നുള്ളിൽ പൂക്കാലം തിത്തേ തിത്തേ നൃത്തം വയ്ക്കും പൂന്തന്നൽ നൃത്തം വയ്ക്കാനെത്തുന്നുണ്ടേ പല്ലക്കിൽ എന്തേ തുള്ളാത്തു വാവേ വാവാച്ചി തുമ്പക്കൂടങ്ങളിൽ തുള്ളിക്കളിക്കുന്ന കുഞ്ഞിളക്കാറ്റിന്റെ കൂട്ടുകാരി മിന്നിത്തിളങ്ങുമൻ പൊന്നിൻ കിനാക്കൾക്ക് നിന്നെയാണോ മനെ ഏറെ ഇഷ്ടം ചിങ്കിരി മുത്തല്ലേ എന്റെ ചിത്തിരക്കുഞ്ഞല്ലേ കണ്ണാം തുമ്പി പോരാമോ എന്നോടിഷ്ടം കൂടാമോ നിന്നെ കൂടാതില്ലല്ലോ ഇന്നെന്നുള്ളിൽ പൂക്കാലം കളിയാടാമേ കിളിമരത്തണലോരം കളിയാടാമേ കിളി
ഇഷ്ടം കൂടാമോ. താങ്ക് യു.
Hi students, first of all I wish you a happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year in India. The day marked the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Children's Day remembers his immense love for children in all over the world. Now I am going to talk about that we may be your teachers, but we also have lot more things to learn from you, especially how to love with all your heart. Once again, wish you a happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Hello my dears. Today is your special day. You are the stars of this day. On this special day, I am so happy to wish you all a happy Children's Day. May all your dreams and wishes come true. You are so special to us. Because of you, we are here. You made us teachers. The books in our library are all waiting to tell stories to you, and they are all waiting to meet you soon. So let's hope for the best. Thank you.
Hi children, happy Children's Day. A sweetest period of anyone's life is their childhood. A warm, very wishes for all the children. Happy Children's Day.
Oh, that was a small gift for you all from we teachers. How did you feel? Have you enjoyed it? Okay, this is what we could do from home, right? But then next year we should celebrate Children's Day together in those corridors back in Arafah. Yes, Arafah will be missing us all. Those corridors will be devoid of any programs now. We'll have to meet there, right? So we can pray for that. നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരുമിച്ച് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കാം അറഫയിലേക്ക് തിരിച്ചു പോയി അറഫയിൽ ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാംസ് ഒക്കെ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി. അടുത്ത വർഷം എല്ലാം നമുക്ക് അറഫയിൽ സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. ഓണവും ക്രിസ്മസും ചിൽഡ്രൻസ് ഡേയും എല്ലാം അല്ലേ. നിങ്ങളെ ഒരുപാട് ഞങ്ങൾ മിസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് മക്കളെ. വി ലവ് യു സോ മച്ച്. ഇപ്പോഴാണ് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നത് നിങ്ങൾ എത്രത്തോളം പ്രിയപ്പെട്ടതാണ് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്ന്. എവറി ടൈം വി യൂസ് ടു ബാനിഷ് യു ഫ്രം ദോസ് കോറിഡോർസ്, റൈറ്റ്? ഇൻ്റർവെൽ വേഗം വേഗം ക്ലാസ് കയറി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട്, റൈറ്റ്? But now we are longing to see you back in those corridors, in those classes. We miss you, dears. Love you all. Happy Children's Day.